Rubiks 360 How to Play. Starting with all 6 balls in the innermost sphere, the object is to tilt, turn, and rotate the sphere to get all 6 balls into their matching colored domes. Both inner spheres have weights opposite their holes. You must manipulate the axis of rotation in order to overcome gravity so that the balls drop through the holes. You can twist the black domes to open and close the locking rings. The locking rings allow you to prevent balls from entering and exiting the domes. You can lock the domes in order to pause your game or to help aid in solving the puzzle as you go along. Get all 6 balls into their matching domes to win. To reset the game, hold the sphere by the black domes. With the locking rings open, rotate the sphere around the black domes. As the balls reach the top, they will drop out. Tilt the sphere side to side to get the balls back into the center.